Hi everybody, I wanted to show you how to get to Desmos and use it to find correlation and line of best fit. So on our Canvas homepage, you're going to come here to the Desmos button, click that. It's going to take you to the Georgia testing calculator. That's the one we're allowed to use on the end of course test. So for some data, you're going to take add item and tell it a table. Okay, so I'm going to use a table from our notes. So you can see it here. We've already done this one, but I'm going to use this table from our notes. So these are going to be my X values and these are going to be my Y values. So I'm going to come into here and I'm going to put in my X values 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can just hit enter after each one. Then I'm going to go back over and under my Y's, I have 2, 5, 8, and 12. Now, I want to turn this into an equation for me. So I'm going to hit plus again and choose f of x expression. And we're wanting to put in y equals mx plus b, but our y's are coming from this y list, y1 list. So press y and then the number 1, and it will automatically do this for you. And we're not going to have equals here. We're going to do a special character. So go to show keypad. ABC, here's this little Enya tilde, grab that. So y equals mx, so m, and our x values are coming from this list and they're in x1, so say x and then 1, and it'll automatically do you, and then plus b. So when it does this, it's going to give you your correlation coefficient right here, your m, which in our, that's your a value. Statistics uses ax plus b, but your a value is your slope, and then b is always your y-intercept. So the equation of this line would be y equals 3.3x minus 1.5. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. That's for Desmos. Let me show it to you on the graphing calculator again. So if you don't have a graphing calculator, you can download an emulator for your phone. So please try and do one of those things. This is pretty much impossible without those. Okay, I have the instructions right here, but I want to go through them with you. So we're going to press the Stat button. We're going to edit our list. If you have things in the list, that's okay. Just arrow up to highlight the name of the list and hit clear. Don't hit delete. Hit clear, enter, and the list goes away. Clear, enter. Okay, my X values are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then my Y values, I go to the other list, 2, 5, 8, and 12. The lists have to be the same length or they're not going to work because these are matched, these are a pair. This is 1, 2, that's a coordinate pair. Okay, once you have your data in, it says press the Stat button again, arrow right once. Choose linreg ax plus b. That's almost always the fourth one. Sometimes it's not. So you can just hit number 4. We put our data in list 1 and list 2. Then you have your a value is 3.3. Your b value is negative 1.5. And that's exactly what we found on the Desmos too. And then your correlation coefficient right here, this last one. We're not going to be doing anything with r squared. So you can just always ignore that one. All right, hopefully that was helpful. If you have questions on how to work a calculator, let me know. I will take your calls whenever I can. See you in class.